How many of you have ever been to Charleston, South Carolina? Well, I'm going to be down here for the next couple of months with my mom for work, and it is absolutely breathtaking. If you do ever decide to come down, I would be sure to recommend to visit Edisto Beach, any and all of the amazing restaurants, and any of the historical sites. Firstly, we're going to get into Edisto Beach, like I said. Edisto Beach is considered to be quote unquote untouched nature. Although you can go and walk on it and take photos and such, you're not allowed to take anything from the beach. The beach is full of a bunch of dead driftwood trees, a bunch of shells on the beach. I found like 4 or 5 full-sized conches that obviously you can't take because you will get fined. And there is a bunch of different types of species of birds that are just running on the beach. It's genuinely breathtaking. Secondly, we're going to get into the restaurants. I can't recommend any restaurants just by name, but I would say to get out and try and eat as much food as you can down here because there is literally something for every single person. There is a million Mexican restaurants that are amazing, Chinese and Japanese places that are amazing. There's Mediterranean food that's amazing. It's all so good. And there's something for everybody, and there is something at genuinely every price range. Lastly, I'm going to get into the historical places. If you might be a historical junkie like myself, or you just like to go and look around as well like me, there is so many cool places to check out in Charleston. Just in downtown Charleston, there is the Rainbow Row, which is a bunch of colored houses, and it's one of those scenes that's pretty cool to go look at. There's also the Angel Oak Tree, which is considered to be one of the longest living oak trees that is still alive to this day, and it is so beautiful, much, much bigger than you thought it was going to be in real life. And then on top of that, there is 2 forts that were built in Charleston, and one of the two, Fort Moultrie, was actually active during 3 wars, and you can still go and tour them today. It is pretty cool. That being said, if you ever do decide to come down to Charleston, South Carolina, be sure to check out all of the cool scenes, but be extra sure to check out Edisto Beach, as many restaurants as you can, and all of the beautifully historic architect and environments.